Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie and I am back with another video. Today I'm just going to be talking a little bit about my maintenance service. I do have a service on my website that I offer for wig maintenance. It's called Wig Revive. And here I have a wig that my customer sent me in. This is a wig that I made about 4 or 5 years ago. You can see that it has my old logo on it. I hear you. That was the name of my business when I first started. So I am really excited. I was so excited when I saw this wig and I was like, oh my gosh, she still has this wig. So I was really happy to bring this wig back to life for her. And I see here that she was sewing up the elastic band, those things stretch out over time. So I will definitely replace that for her. She also sent me another wig. I didn't make that wig, but I am going to maintenance that one for her as well. So the first thing I do, I just inspect the units just to see what they need, and then I just go ahead and I start to revive them. And not trying to gross no one out, but I just want to let you see how dirty wigs can get. Wigs definitely need to be washed every so often. If you just re-wearing the wig all the time, the wig gets really dirty. It gets dirty from product buildup. It gets dirty from sweat, from your own hair, any type of debris and everything. It just builds up in this hair. So it definitely needs to be cleaned every so often. So my Wig Revive service is on my website. When you go on, there are options. You can choose how many wigs you want to send in. You can also choose if you need a lace replacement, and if you want to add color to the wig, you might want to, different style. I could definitely do that as well. For my ladies that have multiple wigs, I have an unlimited wig revive service. And this service, you pay a flat fee, and it allows you to send in your wigs to me for a whole year. No matter how many, you can send them in whenever you want during that year, and I will clean the wigs for you and restyle them and send them back. I did a deep treatment on this wig, and the hair really came back to life. The hair it looks so good when I was done. You guys are going to see in the end. So like I said, if you're interested in having your unit revived, you can definitely send them in to me. I will take care of the wigs for you. The address and everything to where to send it is on the website. I'll let you know when I get your unit. I'll also send you a tracking number when I send it back. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You can stay tuned to see how the unit came out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.